Hey guys, this is one of my puzzle boxes that I have made. In fact, I just made it today, and just looks like a little box that doesn't really have any special thing in there, but it has what sounds like money in it. So yeah, the way to get this open, you have to pop the drawer out, which is right here. There's no way to get it because it's pushed in, but you have to push that. So how does it do it? So you can pull this, but it does nothing. But on the other side, you have to push this block in, which ends up pushing that out. But then that allows you to push this right here in. Kind of hard to do sometimes. Then pushes your drawer out. And it's kind of hard to remove it right now, but there. Money. Yeah. So that's my puzzle box. Oh, come on. There. Got it. Okay. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, and then you can subscribe to my channel so whenever there's new stuff you can get notifications for that, and leave comments for stuff that you'd like me to do, because still needing some ideas. So thanks for watching. Bye.